So in your computer keyboard, suppose the number lock key, so if you must press the number lock key, and now we have turned on the number lock. Now you can see alt key, so this is the alt key you must press and hold this alt key, and after that you must type here 1 2 8 6 9 7. After typing 1 2 8 6 9 7, you can release your finger from this alt key. So I will explain once again. You must type like this, press the alt key, after that type 1 2 8 6 9 7, then release your finger from this alt key. Then you can see what is the result. The result will be so you will get like this: a male restroom or a toilet sign we are created by this method. So you can easily create by using this alt code in your computer. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.